As the global population grows and urbanization increases, the need for modern mass transportation solutions is on the rise, and so is the competition. To be at the forefront, rolling stock manufacturers need to offer trains with an attractive and comfortable passenger environment whilst making the production and operation more cost and energy efficient, all while complying to safety standards and industry regulations. SABIC offers a portfolio of high-performance engineering thermoplastics that includes resins, sheets, films and composites specifically designed for railway seats, wall panels and ceilings, window frames, light covers, separation walls and swing doors. Up to 50% lighter than commonly used materials, Lexan and Ultem sheet and resin materials can significantly lower your system costs by consolidating parts to streamline production and your shipping costs by reducing weight. You can benefit from an aesthetic design freedom while maximizing passenger comfort, and save operators installation and maintenance costs by reducing secondary operations such as painting, coating, machining and polishing. Thanks to the new anti-graffiti Lexan sheet, operators can also benefit from the reduction in costs of recovery from vandalism. Using SABIC's high-quality, fire safety compliant and shatter-resistant materials, trains will not only be safer, but also adhere to the highest regulatory demands. Improve passenger environment, reduce operational costs, and stay ahead of the competition.